skid steer tires in Nashua, New Hampshire. What you should know before you buy. Skid steer loaders have become one of the hardest working pieces of equipment in the industry. With the inclement weather conditions and tough environment of Nashua, demands on these machines to perform on all types of surfaces and in all types of conditions continues to increase. You need skid steer tires that can meet and exceed your expectations. Today's machine operators want skid steer tires that are built for their specific application or purpose. At Ken Jones Tires, we offer good, better, and best choices to meet your needs and your budget. We stock a huge selection of all the best brands and tread designs that will improve machine performance and reduce your cost per hour. Skid steer tires are basically broken down into a few different categories: hard surface, severe service, heavy duty, and standard duty. Hard surface skid steer tires are designed for extended wear and extended contact on surfaces such as concrete and pavement. Severe service skid steer tires are designed with super deep treads and perform very well on extreme job sites such as rock, gravel, demolition, scrapyards, and glass plants. Heavy duty skid steer tires are premium tires. They have a rim guard and extra thick sidewall to protect against rim damage and sidewall punctures. They are used in general construction, skid loader rentals, snow removal, landscaping, and farming. Standard duty skid steer tires are more economically priced. They are used for light landscaping and other light applications. Our skid steer tire experts are here to help. Ken Jones Tires makes buying skid steer tires online easy. Skid loader operators in Nashua and across the state of New Hampshire can visit us at www.kenjones.com or give us a call at 1-877-844-2010 and we will help you find the right tire for your needs and your budget.